So now we compute the derivative of this function here, logarithm of 2x. And maybe you remember the so-called chain rule. So what does the chain rule say? Well, if we have a function of a function, so let's call them the function u of the function v of x, then the chain rule says if you take the derivative, you first have to take the so-called outer derivative times the inner derivative. And this is exactly what we do here, because we have the so-called outer function here, the logarithm, and the inner function 2x. So basically what it says is that you first compute 2x, and then this was the first function, and then you apply another function on top of it, which is the logarithm. Okay, so if we follow this rule, then we have as the outer function u of v of x, or smaller u of v, is then the logarithm of v, and the derivative of the logarithm is just 1 divided by v. It's not very easy to see, but in the theory part you should have seen this on the sowieso platform. And what is the derivative of this inner function? So vx is equal to 2x. The derivative here is just 2. So if we put these together, then so I get here the derivative of x is then the outer derivative, and we computed this here. This is then 1 divided by v times the inner derivative. This is this v dash, which is 2 divided by v, or 2 divided by, let's check what v was. This is 2x, and I can simplify this a bit further by 1 divided by x.